Our students, in this lesson we're gonna review the important points that are included for the final exam in English. Well, I mean the unit 5. Let's start. They are so easy. It's just reviewing. First one, the words. Here we have these words: get up and swim, play the piano, sleep. Again, get up, swim, play the piano, sleep. And we have see and see. Okay, let's come down to the grammatical point. We have which present simple. It's so easy. As we studied in the class, he, she, it takes s. The verb after them takes s. Just like this example. He drinks water. He drinks water. Okay. We need this s because we have he. She plays football in the morning. She plays s. This s, okay? And it eats banana. It eats banana. Look at it eats banana. Because we have it, the verb should have s, okay? It eats banana. Come down. That means he, she, it, they take s, but I, we, you, they don't take s, okay? Just like this example, I go to school. I go to school. Go without s, okay? I go to school. We come to home. We come to home without s, okay? It's wrong if you write s because we have we. We come to home. You drink water. They swim in the sea without s. He, she, it takes s, but I, we, you, they don't need this s, okay? Let's come down. We have this example, other example. She reads the book. He plays the piano. It jumps on the ground. Look at this s, okay? She, s. He, s, okay? It, s. It jumps, he plays, she reads the book. But I, you, we, they don't need this as. I play tennis, you watch TV, they go to school, and we drink milk. Full stop. Okay? Now, this is the way, and we knew that it's important to know that how can we change this sentence to question. Okay, this is the rule of Mr. Question. Do and thus and question mark. Do and thus and question mark. If you remember that we studied in the school the song of I do, you do, he, she, it, thus, we do, you do, they do. It's important. You have to memorize this song. If not, in the exam you cannot. You won't answer the questions maybe. Okay, look at do and thus and question mark. This is the rule of the question. Question 4. Look at, do I play football? Do I play football? Yes, they do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do they sing? Question mark. Do they sing? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Do you play tennis? If it's yes, yes, I do. No, I don't. Look at do. So why we have do? Because here is you, okay? Do you, do I, do they, do you. Do we swim in the sea? Do we swim in the sea? Question mark. It's important. At the end you should write question mark, okay? Do we swim in the sea? Yes, we do. No, we don't. If it's yes, yes, we do. If not, no, we don't. Let's come down. How about thus? Okay, we knew that I, they, you, we do use it with them, but thus with she, he, it. Okay, we use thus with she, he, it. Does she sing? Question mark. Does she sing? Yes, she does. Does he get up at 7 o'clock? No, he doesn't. Does it work? Does it work? Question mark. Yes, it does. Okay. And here we have some exercises that I checked by myself for you. Change into question. Change this sentence into question. They play tennis. They play tennis. Do they play tennis? And question mark. Do they play tennis? And question mark. He drinks water. Okay, guys, be careful. In this sentence, he drinks water. Drinks, this S. When we change it to question, we should remove this S. Okay, that means when does is coming, it removes this S. He drinks water. Does he drink water? He drinks water. Does he drink water? And question mark. It eats milk. Again, we have this S. It eats milk. Does it eat milk? Does it eat milk? And question mark. Okay. Let's come down. Number 4. She gets up at 8 o'clock. She gets up. Again, this S. When we change it to question form, we should remove this S. When does is coming, it removes this S. She gets up at 8 o'clock. Does she get up at 8 o'clock? Question mark. Question mark. Okay. Remember, it's so important. Question mark. Okay. How about the negative? Negative, that means don't and doesn't. Don't and doesn't. We use don't with I, we, you, they. I don't. You don't. They don't. We don't. But doesn't with she doesn't. He doesn't. It doesn't. Okay? Have a look here. This example. He gets up at 8 o'clock. Let's change this sentence into negative. He gets up. He doesn't get up at 8 o'clock. Look at, again, we remove this S. When does is coming, it remove this S. Okay? He doesn't get up at 8 o'clock. Number 2, they go to school. Let's change to negative. They don't go to school, because we have they. We should use don't. Okay? She plays basketball. She plays this S. When does is coming, it removes this S. She doesn't play basketball. Number 4, we swim in the sea. We don't swim in the sea. Okay? And also, there's much more example here. I get up at 6 o'clock. I don't get up at 6 o'clock. We play the piano. We don't play the piano. She sings a song. She doesn't sing a song. Okay, listen again. We remove this S. Number 4, you drive a car. You don't drive a car. He watches TV. He doesn't watch TV. Again, we remove this E and S. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you get benefit. Thanks for having me.